Okay, so let's take a look at this controller. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, and this is a question that America is asking today. Is Lamarr wearing pants? Because I could literally be sitting here butt naked except for this shirt. And now, even though I'm not, the image is now in your head. And you're either more excited or you're disgusted, you're throwing up now, and you're ready to leave the video. But anyway, it's good to see you all. Listen, those who have been coming to the live show, thank you so much. We've been having a good time. I've been doing those maybe once every other day or so. Like when you see the notification, you better pop up because I don't have a schedule for that yet because I'm just randomly doing them. So we're having fun. Speaking of random, this bad baby came in the mail a few weeks ago, before, yeah, everything. So, I've been busy, getting the place set up and all that. But I noticed this sitting on the table. I was like, oh, well, this has been out already. I believe people can even buy it now. Some people already have it. This is the Phantom Magenta. I almost said magnetic. But this is a really nice looking controller from the outside. It's one of those that you can kind of see through. I have not seen inside yet. So let's do that together. I don't have, I can't find my knife. I remember last video, like, Lamarr, how did you lose a knife? Listen, during the apocalypse, I should have all of my knives. And I looked under the table where I normally keep it. It's gone. I think I threw it away by accident from the other place. So, excuse me. For now, until I get a proper box cutter, this is it, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at this controller. That wasn't bad. Like, I definitely need some voice work, but that wasn't bad. And I challenge you in the comments to say that was bad. Ooh, speaking of bad, you a bad it's a song. Wow. I'm just like, yeah, I'm digging that. Okay, I guess I'll let y'all look. So this is the controller. Has a nice magenta hue, obviously, because it's that, but it's Phantom because you can kind of see through it. There's some other ones that have this too. So on the back, you see how the back looks? My greasy hands already. Okay. But yeah, it's a clean looking controller. But listen, I didn't want to just say, hey, this controller exists, goodbye. I actually want to have a little conversation with y'all about something I'm doing right now, and that is putting in the AA batteries. So in the news, the new Xbox Series X is going to use AA batteries, just like these. So you can interchange, you can even use this controller on the Xbox Series X. So if you're a controller collector like me, you can keep using them. And that's nice, but it brings a question to me. The Elite 2 controller, I use that daily. Is a one with the built-in battery and use USB-C to charge it. It has a rechargeable battery. Why not offer that option for the new one? And maybe they will offer it as an option, but like, do that many people like these batteries that they're like, oh, we're gonna make a lot of people mad if we go all rechargeable? I mean, the Switch Pro controller is rechargeable. The Switch regular little controllers are rechargeable. The PS4's controllers are rechargeable. I'm just curious what you think. I prefer rechargeables. I don't know if they're more expensive or if these are cheaper to get over time. I feel like the rechargeables over time would be, cheaper. What am I doing? Okay. But that is what today's comment is going to be about. Like, yes, I'm going to unbox this anyway, but I really want to talk about battery technology. Okay, it's on. Okay, so ain't no Xbox in here though. So, but it's good to know that it's working. But yeah, that is what I want to know. Who are the people that love AA batteries so much and why? I'm not getting on you. I'm just trying to understand your reasoning. Because over time, is popping in AA batteries cheaper than buying a rechargeable that can last a long time? Leave that in the comments below. And I'll tell you what, as a little bonus, let's go downstairs real quick and I'll show you my collection. Because when I moved, they're all in different locations now because I forgot. I didn't take a picture of it before. We'll put this one down. We'll look at that. And then we'll end the video there. So I'm gonna say goodbye now, but we're going to talk more. Let's go. All right, guys, bonus time, bonus time. Here are all the controllers. We have 3 in a row, so 9 on each row. 9, oh my God, 18, 27, and then 28, 29. Wait, hold on, I did that wrong. 9, 18, 20, 27, 36. And then, so we have 38 so far in this container. This is the one that we just talked about today. So that is the Phantom. There's another Phantom type of controller as well that I forgot the exact name, but this is very similar. This is in the same family. And if you want to get technical, maybe the what's the Sea of Thieves controller could be kind of considered that a little bit, like one of the first ones. So yeah, but this is the controller. Oh my God, my Supreme one. I know, but leave me alone. And then so you have the Elite 1 back there. I have another Elite 1 somewhere. I don't know. I didn't put these in any particular order. I literally just taking them out the box. Oh, there's other Elite. And it just kind of worked out. I like them to be random sometimes. Okay, the Minecraft I did put together because I saw them together. And then those are the last 2. And then I have room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 more controllers. And then that's it. There's no more. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm not going back upstairs to end the video. I'm ending it right here. I'll talk to y'all later. You see me through the glass, don't you? Bye.